Hey guys, welcome back to my comedy compilation video. Today again is another hilarious one. Hot banger for you guys. Please don't forget to like as usual, like my video and also comment. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not.
Wait, I don't understand. How you tell me this guy want to marry? You want to ask tattoo on his face?
I really love your daughter.
Shut up your mouth! You?
Oh God, that's way to
That
repeat
is
them
just
again.
tears now.
That is just tears now. If I give you slap, you need tears to come out from your eye. No, what is that? I don't understand.
Yes.
Daddy, what is the matter?
Is not your sister? Look at the guy she said she want to marry. You want to ask tattoo on his eye? Why can't she be like you? Why can't she be like you?
I wonder.
Daddy, I want to quickly get something outside.
Ezibo, come. Hey, you said your fiancé is coming today, Abby?
Yes, Daddy.
I can't wait to see him.
I can't wait to see you too. Daddy, let me go.
Okay. Hey, you pass like this. Pass like this. Pass here.
Take this easy.
You, they go now, they go.
Babe, you need to go. I will call you back and explain.
Baby, let me go and see you.
You need to go now. You know the year what?
What's the problem?
Please go. I will call you back and explain.
Why are you stressing my life for Christ's sake?
Baby.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
Now what for you, bro?
It's not only for Wala.
Una mind no go touch ground. Una mind no go touch ground.
Objective eye tattoo. You and bath. Better go bath. Syd Iwundu on this one. Let's go, guys.
Hello?
Where are you?
Baby, I told you I'm hanging out with Daddy today now.
So what time are you coming back?
I'm not sure. When we're done, he will drop me off at home.
Alright then. Take care.
Bye, baby.
Is that your husband?
Yeah, so he said I should greet you. You see, that's why I talk about you. What you say, you will do.
Babe, why are you talking to by this time?
My daddy now.
By this time?
Hey, we're just running through our day and talking about it.
Good night.
The man is weak, Seth. Good
Hi,
night.
babe.
Babe. Why are you into this early morning?
Oh, Daddy's taking me shopping.
This early morning?
Baby, no. He wants to spend time with his daughter.
So the law strong.
Who is that guy when they talk anyhow, when they do anyhow, when they see anyhow? Say, are you papa?
Is that what we have? Raw bouncy. Wine color. It's just 2.5 million. Daddy.
Give her as much as you want.
Money they talk.
My humble father, Sinachi. My loving daughter, Sinachi.
Hey, babe.
Babe, why are you coming back by this time? When you told me on phone, you'll be back in an hour time.
Hey, babe, my dad now. He said I should stay behind and make food for him before leaving.
Your daddy again?
This is not what a man do.
I beg, let the family look for another person that will make them proud.
Just go and meet your daddy. Every time your daddy, just pack your load and go. You want his life finish the poor boy.
My God! Yo! How you doing now?
I'm good, my bro.
Now meet my baby girl, my fiancé, Costa. That is Thaedoboy, my very good friend.
Hi, how you doing?
We're getting married next week, actually.
Serious?
Yes.
Congratulations.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. So we go updates now.
Oh, Wala, my
Bro. Oh yeah, that's this.
Now your guy be that. Now my correct guy be that too. And they won't marry that girl. Now wait till just tell me now. That girl no lost you. My guy they carry him 247. Who are those motor? You mean now? I dey tell you na better will lose you. My bro, I can just see you.
Okay. Babe, just stay in the car. I'm coming.
Bro, I beg, no vessel, eh? This your people. Like, how well do you know her?
I know her now. And I'm baby, I won't marry. I suppose no, I'm not married. Bro, why are you even asking?
Nothing, everywhere good. Nothing, my brother.
Yeah, no. There's something you haven't told me about yourself.
No, baby, I told you everything you need to know about me.
Okay.
Why are you asking? Are you sure?
It's nothing. I'm serious.
Can you believe Abby was asking me about my past? What for? I don't know. Out of nowhere. Me where this street. Tell them anything. I want to tell and say over 300 people don't enter this place. I'll try them.
Yeah. You want to for your wedding? 300 over.
Where is your bro? Okay. How far though?
Let's say they come out.
Today at my wedding, I've been telling you now. Don't forget.
beg you, just before you leave, just watch this video.
But this is so expensive now.
I bet in these streets. How did you get this video?
I cannot betray my friend.
You're not betraying her, you're just getting information from her. That was. See, and besides, see. I will sort you now. I will sort you. Why are you doing like this now?
She actually betrayed her friend.
15! How?
She will not tell me all these things, though.
Now what I did for you, bro.
I know if you deal with person will get this kind of pass. My bro. Thank you.
Now why will we they call and go?
Don't go and try this kind of thing.
Turn up.
Because when we settle
turn up. He go turn
settle
up.
themselves again.
But wait, too. If everybody can't do like this now, no one can marry all those girls. If they burn your papa way, just come out now. I tell your street that they wait for you. If they give me Sabi! Give me your phone first. Give me your... You slap CP!
I think they'll kill him. This one is Mama Chinedu and okay, Mama Chinedu actually trying to
Harlan on the edge of the area. Out wide it goes to Grealish. Grealish gets beyond White,
your
plays it
favorite
in low.
footballer.
Ramsdale spilt it. De Bruyne's brought down. Penalty, no. What's he given?
What's he given? Because he has been doing it. Let's see if he got it right this time.
Then Mbappe delivering 23 goals for the campaign. Is Leao.
Oh my God.
Now about his... They have to be paid. Really good pace. Militao. First opportunity inside the Liverpool box here maybe for Vinicius.
This is Vinicius.
Salah track back and also their Henderson's. Was Vinicius
Mama Chinedu. Nothing no go do. Only you dey do skit. Waiting concern you concern footballers.
Ronaldo.
Ja cap a la dreta per Xavi, assistència de Xavi més cap a la dreta per Messi, Messi, immens Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi.
I think he got that right. For Messi, blast! Blast, not anybody won't tell me.
Look at this from Neymar. Oh, look at this from Neymar. It's magical. Robin, whose legs are fresh. Ramos' arms. Robin's trying to go around him. It's five!
He got the one of Ruben.
Sufal just tries to block him off and again here, and it's his cross, which is a scything challenge.
It looks very, very
Mark Noble doesn't make contact. Traore
How did he
Interest
do it?
to watch tonight. He always needs watching. Rafael Leao.
At twice the speed of anyone else. See you later.
Into the ground by one means or another. The official ticket allocation, incidentally, only around 2,500. It's even beyond Leao.
Oh. I think he actually tried mimicking Messi, Ruben, and
it's time to flash my phone. I can't find my phone.
Mbappe.
God have mercy upon us.
Thank you.
I thought you said you can't find your phone.
Papa, no give me. I don't get your number.
Are you playing?
I'll call you.
This is playing.
Bad guy.
This trick sharp.
You helped me with my phone. There you go. Ah, yes, for your number.
La caca.
Okay. I'll call you.
Call who?
Excuse me. Please, I have a boyfriend.
I have a wife. Go pick your money for gas. Your 500 naira. Broke girl.
Should have seen her.
Shut up. Guess. No, 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 person won't tell me. Now you want to say everything at toast. Oh, cry the hard way.
This one you waka come out, they wait till they soap now.
I see me and my baby with the trek now. I saw too much. Now I say, man, come your side, come and collect some more AC small before we go with the go.
Yeah. Oh yeah, now I wanna sit down now, more Netflix and
thank you.
Netflix and chill.
I beg, you pick up this AC small too cool.
You know they want for that's why they be. Okay. Watch now, what they enjoy now.
No, I like they fine.
Because this strong.
One man became.
You better be fast. They will just suck everything out of her. I mean, let's see the next
Okay,
one.
have you paid your tithe since? Have you been tithing? Do you know that you can tithe? Even it doesn't have to be with money. Yes, you can still use rice to tithe. Do you understand? Yes, because you need to tithe so that your life will not be tight.
I see they tithe for people who no get money.
Madam, have a giving heart, because blessed is the hand that giveth
than the hand that taketh.
Madam, sow life, sow seed into people's life. Give. You will not buy. Give somebody. So this rice is common rice. So it's not. You are not God. You are not God. Heaven and earth shall pass away. Yes, sir. That's how rice and beans will pass away.
As long as I sell and hold money for hand, I go use and buy another one.
You're under my capacity. Psycho.
Instead of eating something that hold down to the price. Preaching all.
What is going on here?
For quick answer and response.
Babe, who is she?
Having one girlfriend is like having no girlfriend.
Young lady, I don't care who you are, but I will advise you to get up and get out.
You have to change it. Battery, I'm keeping it for my use. Let me go get another one.
Hey! Where are you going to?
You were here when she said I should leave and you didn't say anything, so I'm leaving.
And you didn't even care to know my own decision.
You and I know you like an asset, and clearly she's an asset, so I'm leaving.
No doubt, me I like asset. I'm not gonna want you, but based on saying me I sit down on my own funds, I go for asset that I want, not the asset where want me. So please help me and tell this asset who I no want. Make she can't go. Help me open door for her.
Where you can't go? Come on, babe. I got you gifts. I even got you a G-Shock wristwatch from the wash house.
I already got my own G-Shock wristwatch from the watch house. The only broke boys if you use this thing in press. Iron day body. Hey! Jesus! Come on from my house now. Come on here. What in be? Let the rich marry the rich.
Everywhere, man.
Now it's time for the dancing competition, and the winner will be going home with a prize gift.
Oh, really?
The competition begins now.
Switch it up, baby.
Poor man became.
I am actually trying to fix this light and
DJ, bring it down. The winner goes to Mr. Window.
So, Mr. Window, step forward.
I'm actually keeping this one for my kids.
Now, see, shame not cash you your snaps to go dance. So because of Fanta, that make you go to fool yourself for what song? Like, how old are you now? You know, come on. What the?
Now we are done with the first set of the dancing competition. It's time for the second set.
Jesus.
I God, I beg you. God will see pressure.
Everybody don't crazy.
And you are the one actually mocking the guy that was dancing because of Fanta. And you know this was because of one time of Kana. Let me tell you. So long Kana is involved in this. MC Futurize can do anything. When it comes to Kana, it's
nobody can deliver you. It's only Jesus. And Jesus needs to come himself. If you send an angel, the angel will follow you smoke up.
Matras, phone. Come buy phone from my hand now.
How are they in charge of this member?
Hold on.
Your mates are selling, you are not selling. Very painful. You better do something, man. Do something, though. You know. Let's see what.
Abba, cinema, you want to buy mattress?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, now come inside, get down now.
I won't go meet my customer for this.
You don't want.
Azal now.
Active like Chivita.
It's unfair. This is unfair now. This is unfair. My son, when I get 4x6,
I get. Come inside. Don't you Mavi? She have 4x6 you want?
Yes.
1.2 million.
4x6 for me. It's okay. My brother, why do you think cost like that?
I'm sure you go use test before 4x6 make you know what you do better.
Want to have intercourse?
Yeah.
You don't want
out of 6x6.
A very dangerous girl.
Customer.
Baba, which one you want back?
Now get 12x12.
Wait,
I will testing tools with that.
Okay.
Oil up.
For what?
That 12x12 now special package. So now 4 men and they work on you.
The blood of
Oil up.
Jesus.
What be this? What be
Johnny's tools.
Jolly.
Quick one here. See, I will need like 7 girls who will follow me go market tomorrow morning.
7 girls.
Customer. What do they do with this one?
You a smart
No see full option like me carry go house today.
I don't see one. It remains 6. Man, no just waste your time. Don't say fast.
Actually nice business if you can also afford the girls. Because you're going to be the one paying for their
balance. Church will support them. And this is when church just say they will support now. I think it's the perfect time for me to just come aside. You understand? And being the fact you've known me for a very long time now.
Yes.
And you know, say I'm a very direct person.
Yes, sir.
I'm a man that is ready. And the reason why I never put woman for her since I've not put woman for her since 2002. I'm not financially buoyant. I never see better so to take care of the woman and the children. But now, at least the Lord is good. So I think I talk to you so that we can start up a family. You understand? Because the way you behave, your character, the way you dress, the way you talk, the way you sing, everything just glorify God about you.
Glory be to God.
Yes, amen. So I was like, okay, let me talk to you. I've talked to Pastor Gideon. Pastor Gideon said it's not a bad idea, which I also tried to talk to the senior pastor in Port Harcourt. They said we'll sit down about time, but let's make I go meet the girl first to talk to the girl.
Have you gone to meet the girl?
What is up?
Have you gone to meet the girl?
The girl, you know, say the thing you say, not be something I want you can rush go meet the girl. So I've been taking my time to stay study the girl, but I think this is the right time for me to strike. You understand? So the girl no be girl when still far from me. That's still my friend.
Glory be to God.
She still don't understand me. She's a supportive person.
Wow.
My girl when be like say, they tell me say she will always support me in anything I
Oh, that's a great thing.
Yeah, and that happened to be you.
Who?
Yeah. What is up?
I said who?
You? Of course.
Edda, SK, you're funny, sir.
What is up?
You're funny.
Original okay right here. But original Krika.
And you are laughing with him. You know, so you know go.
I need dan arewane. I babana dan kanune.
mamana yerbauchi ne. Aini grima Lagos ne.
Ai to ban sani ba.
Dan halaka sai ya kaya. Akwai takalmi. Okay. Akwai wando. Akwai riga.
Duka kin ka son da kyau. Ai wannan nawa ne rigan nan?
Ai wannan riga 5,000 ne. Gaskiya kudi ne.
This man.
Ai ke mutumina ne. Baran cuce ka ba. Yawa.
You think they get wise?
Yawa, nagode sosai.
Nagode sosai.
A gaishe da madam. Bye, original class. Mazin no. Ke icho.
Wannan nwoke? Igbo onye Igbo?
Mbo onye Igbo na. Mpa mbo onye Anambra State. Ma mbo onye Abakaliki.
Ifunene ya. Wannan nwoke ndị bụ fish. Ọ kwadine ka nna achọ.
Dede, m ga-enye gị ike ga-adị gị mma.
Ngwa nweta.
Were ya. Were ya. Nke na-acha acha.
Jesus.
Come on, ngwo ka nji arị na. Ka ego na.
Dede weta 15.
Dede bịakwa. Dede bịakwa gị mgba. Ihe ngota na nke mama Ngozi 500 naira. Dede.
Maka na Igbo nwanne m nye m 1000.
Ihe lukwe 1000. Ba na ejide na. Semi ozugbo. Bụrụ kanta na. Dede bụrụ kanta na.
Ngwana, onye makwa dị na.
Ngwana, disike o.
Àwọn máa bá ẹ̀kọ́ lílé olóṣìṣẹ́ lè bá mi láì.
Ọmọ ìyá mi wà, mi ò ṣe ọmọ Ìgbò, ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí.
Yorùbá Ìgbò ló ti wá ọ̀yà gbé mi débẹ̀.
Ìdán mi. Abẹ́òkúta lèmi ti wá.
Abẹ́òkúta ni ìjọ òní kúta. Bóyá náà dẹ́ máa ń bẹ̀ bá mi lọ. Ẹ̀rọ yà rí oṣù. Bóyá náà bá mú mi jẹ fún mi jẹ.
Kò sí ègé mi. Gbà, ìdán mi. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sẹ́.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀. Èlò ló wá pàdé ẹ̀jẹ̀.
Ọmọ ìyá mi jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ fi sí nylon 5 bay ni.
Ìdán.
Jálẹ̀.
Ìdán wá ti rẹ̀ jẹ́ fún ẹ 3 day.
Kò gba 3 day rẹ̀.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀. Bóyá máa fi fígò sí.
Kò sí gèlè fún mi.
Wàá ṣe eré idán gba ìdáyé lọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá mi. Kò sí gèlè mo wà pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Èmi bá lu ti ń tajà. Má fọ̀. Gba ìdáyé lọ.
Motell decided to go and do
Ó sì ní ẹnu ọmọ Abẹ́òkúta ògùn lọ́dọ̀ bàbá mi táìbò ṣe wáyé òní sórí gbó. Tó sì ní ẹnu ọkọ̀ tó ta fún mi ó ti já lọ́rùn náà.
Ọmọ ìyá mi ní sùúrù náà, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Meni ta halaka sarmun. Diga nan duk kurkwata ko tana dan Allah. Da hanci ka kamar gidan kwado dan buro bane. Meni wala dan Allah ka sarmun.
Ba na me paru. Konte dan kalika.
Onyoma, odun biya.
Onyoma, buto. Kedi emelu.
Ga mu wa buto. Ne peteri tiyan. Biya. Agba ngide mezbo ti tie mo kreka.
Wait. Oga, where are you from? Let's have it.
If I don't speak your language, if you buy market from me.
Yes.
This is true, actually true, man.
I think when I see.
Oga, you need to arrest this man where they say okay for that junction. He didn't say rubbish, give the community.
Now rubbish they say. Can you imagine? I bought this shirt. I bought this shirt. Bed box down. I couldn't smell peace. Why? Over my own. Nigga, why? I know this house. You don't say.
Are you sure?
I
don't understand.
Okay, I know.
Why grown men with beers like this would they lie? Officer,
see this?
Nine be that.
Nine be this. I'm not damn beer. Nine be this. Nine. Don't bro man.
Oh, how are they?
Huh? No.
Look at Moron here and DJ name. Because Ndo Hausa Yoruba Igbo. And they run me.
Oh, to what
I was same thing on. Simply because that can make us say.
What is he speaking, guys?
So because no be Igbo, no be Yoruba, no be Hausa, una wan call spy market for am.
Plan to change. I don't like plan to change.
All of you are under arrest.
What is he speaking? Like what? That language
social
be
media,
like the language be like
themselves, people throwing jabs at each other when, like, given that you're Hausa, you're Yoruba, you're Igbo, it should not be a problem at all.
Be like Calabar.
Excuse me, sir. Good day, sir.
Good morning, my brother.
Sir, I'm sorry to bother you this morning, sir. If you take a very good look at me, sir, you see that I'm not a beggar from head to toe. But, sir, I need your help.
Me too, I need help, my brother. Now hospital they go.
Sir, please, my wife just put to bed triplets. As I talk to you now, the government is trying to take the children from me if I don't discharge them from the hospital.
Poor man.
Sir, please, any amount you can help me with, sir, I will really appreciate it. Also, I can carry my family away from the hospital and go home.
You born triplets. Why be saying I always poor people? I always born triplets and twins. Rich people where they find them, we go fit take care of them. They don't go gree go there. But there's no problem, my brother. As you can see, I'm on crutches. I have an appointment with my doctor. I have to be there in the next 30 minutes. But from the look of things, this is your own problem. Pass my own.
One man
You need to go to the hospital and discharge your family. My brother, I get 90,000 here. The money I don't gather from my family members, make I go take care of myself for hospital. I will give you 80,000 from here. I will use 10,000 for myself. I believe my doctor will understand. I will just plan for the moment.
The world have been a better place.
Put your account number. You need to go discharge your family from the hospital. Show them my blessings. I don't send that for you. 80,000. No cry. Why you cry now? No. It's nothing. As I do for you, just go there, go discharge them from the hospital. Children are blessings. They need you.
God bless you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it, sir.
I beg. Make sure you go carry them from hospital.
Go, I'm coming. I'm doing video.
Good. This one I see that show like this. You don't see my condition. I use this one as point of contact to my healing.
Are you okay?
Sorry, sir.
Do I have to hunt 2 times before you open this gate? It's like you're tired of this job.
I'm sorry.
Rubbish.
Jesus.
Why are you closing the gate? Hold on now. Can't you see that I just bought a Nduka for my wife? Open the gate, my friend.
Don't worry, there's no saki for this house.
Nduka? This man is rich beggar.
Okay, excuse me. Don't you know what they got to come?
Yes. Who are you?
Now for what?
Why are you shouting in my company?
You're a vagabond. Why will you tell me to calm down? Do you know why? I will bring down this house. So you're a beggar. So now the begging for my own, they use collect money for people hand. You collect money for my hand. This early money. As money was supposed to go treat myself for hospital. See me, I sit there for my condition. I reach hospital, my doctor no agree attend to me because my money not complete. I carry money, give liar like you. You don't buy motor. Buy for your wife.
Young man, if you're not careful with me, I will order my boys and they will break your second leg. I'm just looking at the condition. Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Shut up my compound.
Me are they trade with the leg. Now me they help you, now me they suffer. Another man they work, another man they chop. So now the format one they use for the city be this. Oga, give me that money now. Hand over that money to me.
Can't you see how God has blessed you with this condition? You are wasting God's plan in your life.
God have blessed.
I pray this thing is permanent so that at least I can employ you in my company. United Beggars and Station.
Now you that plan go there permanent for your life. Now for your life, this plan go there permanent for your head.
Okay, calm down. Relax. No refund of money after payment. We don't give customers back their money. You're welcome to the family. Happy hand.
Now that your hand I want cut so.
Give us don't lack. I don't lack. My name Nana. Take her.
Some people are just like begging is their occupation and they become very big with this pattern.
She's a warrior.
Hi.
Hi.
Let's have it. You look for a person?
Yes, please. My boyfriend.
Now your boyfriend is stay here?
Yes, my boyfriend lives here.
It don't park.
My boyfriend has packed.
It don't park. You know say don't park?
No.
You just know your boyfriend is stay here?
This is my boyfriend.
Then why you know say don't park?
Actually, I've been in the UK for some time now. I just came back last week.
Wait, you just come back for UK?
Yes, I just came back.
This why you just come back for UK. Now you say you're okay for me like this. So.
That's my problem.
Yeah, no wahala. So
please, can you take me to his new location?
That one said no problem. Just give me what you want, give me my day okay first now.
Okay. Alright, you can call your car number.
Okay. 218.
Okay.
44.
Okay.
610.
Which bank?
Take out bank.
Okay, sent.
Just now?
Yeah.
Give me a conformer. Blaq! Now 50K for me, I take the okay.
That's my problem.
See, now I don't say you come out for UK. Based on expectation, if you're good, I go update here.
No, there's no need for that. Just take me to his new place.
Okay, no wahala now. I come now.
Okay.
Thank
you.
Let's watch this video. See, decline this staircase now. The flat by your left. Now you have to be that.
Hey! Wait. You mean he lives here?
Yeah, nah. He just park on down now and go up.
Then why didn't you tell me at first?
If I tell you at first now, you know send me that money at first now.
Jesus.
Babe! Oh my God!
Come upstairs. Greeting and love. Aye.
This is how Yoruba people does it. I swear. If you go to Don't door find trouble. Just go and look for what actually.
Who's that?
Not that door.
Dilo,
Your
good
clients
afternoon.
cannot afford the deal.
Where's
For
your
what?
boss? He's there inside. Go and call him for me.
Ah, Dilo.
Mr. Ibara.
How are you?
Mr. Ibara, I'm just coming from land registry.
Okay.
I discovered that you did not tell me that all the properties that we have been previewing during divorce proceedings belong to your wife.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? I saw that all the title on the land is your wife's name. You don't even have any property to your name, Mr. Ibara. In case you don't know, with everything that I've seen that you own, there is no way you can afford legal services, let alone a divorce proceeding. Thank you very much. I will take my leave.
But I'm a business consultant.
You are a business. Where do you consult the business, Mr. Ibara?
On YouTube now.
How to grow a snail business.
Exactly.
8 views in 6 years.
They come up, it's coming up small.
You are the snail in the business. As nobody informed you. Take your nonsense from out. Instead of you to be telling people that you are consulting for to go and invest in enviable tricycle management, where you will buy tricycle, you don't even need to have driver or anything. They will do everything for you and they will be giving you return on investment every week. Every week you receive money from their hand. Just buy keke from their hand. Enviable tricycle management. Bam.
Serious?
You will receive money every week. Register with them. You are telling them to go and do snail business where you are displaying your own business.
I swear.
Dilo, wait now. How go take get keke now?
You buy it, Mr. Ibara.
Me wait, as I not get money call.
I send me your wife's contact now.
Dilo, come now. Me and my wife, we know they talk again now.
Okay, I forgot.
Based on the divorce level.
I forgot. Don't mind me. When you are ready, you will swallow that your pride with ogbonna, and you will go and you go and apologize to your wife. I say they used to divorce poor man. Someone like you, they run away from you. You are talking about divorce. No sense.
Oh my God, that's my crush. That's my crush. I'm very shy. But I've loved to talk to this girl, but I'm very, very shy. Next time. But wait, what's the worst that can happen? The worst thing she can say is no. Yeah, right?
That is true.
You are a very foolish man.
Poor man begin.
Look at the state of you. Look at you. What makes you think you can stand up to me? Will you get on my side?
Poor man begin. This is something. So much poor man begin glad that you know the last comment of it.
My chest. This is more than no. This is more than no.
Hey, who is this Jessica and Linda that be sending you love messages all this while?
How did you open my phone?
Your phone. Look, let me tell you. There is no password that you can put on this phone that I cannot unlock. Okay? So start talking. Who are they?
You're gonna explain, Taya. They are our side chicks.
What do you mean by our side chick?
I don't understand. Maybe you were great for side chick to main chick 2 days ago.
Hey!
When I was dating my ex, you know the side chick that was telling me, leave her, she's not good for you, she's not good for you.
Women.
Now she don't go, you don't enter.
Woman, our enemy.
Hey! You know, say I should take another person's position, and so they go take your own position. You want me the place they vacant?
I wonder. When you were dating your ex, I knew I was the only side chick. But now that I'm the main chick, you have 2 or more side chicks. It's not fair now.
See, let me tell you, I'm tired of this relationship. Too many red flag everywhere. You have too many red flags. How can I be dating you in less than 24 hours? You don't already go unlock my phone. Are you a detective? Are you a spy? Are you spying on me? I'm not safe.
Babe, I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. See, from now on, I know my place.
Yes, come in.
You get to the point now.
Now, madam, who are you?
Hi. Hi, baby.
Hi.
Babe, who is she?
I'm my new girlfriend.
That was too fast now.
That's what we do for here. You know they like waste time.
Very bad boy. If you stress me, pressure me, man, I'll move on. I swear. I can't do this one, guys. How it goes.
It's my house. I can knock anyhow I want. Over here, take this.
What's going on here?
About your house rent. I'm just on paying my house rent now. Oh, can't you read it now? Are you okay? Read it fast. Okay. Okay, look. My rent moved from 2 million to 7 million. It has been increased now. I've increased the house rent. Why? Increase why? What do you mean why? Are you okay? Is this your father's house? Is it your house? Are you mad? I can increase anytime I want now. Can't you see what's going on in this country? Can't you see the economy is so hard? I can hardly eat. Things are so hard for me too, so I need money. And if I cannot pay, you know what? You pack out. Things are hard everywhere. What? Okay, look. Okay.
Lalo don't be stretch, baby.
Never, please excuse me. I did now. Any problem? They increased it for your side? No, my rest today 2 million. My not just increase my rent from 2 million to 7 million?
1 million extra.
You cash out this period? Yes, I cash out. You tell anybody? I don't tell anybody. The only thing I do is I give testimony.
It's testimony time, and our brother here, Mr. Famous, is here to share his testimony with us all. Listen and be blessed.
Oh, my testimony goes like this. On this fateful day, I had no money in my account, but I realized I had 1K in my own pay. I said, Father Lord, what should I do? I want to multiply. And I bet on one isbae using a promo code FANBED, P on capital letter, to get 300% bonus benefit. And I won 10 million. Hallelujah. So as a Christian, I decided to come to church to give 20% instead of 10% to God as my tithes. And for my pastor here and the congregation, I've decided to give you people 2 million naira for you to celebrate.
Hey, big boy, big boy. Okay, I know why.
Like this red table.
Not be every testimony that they give for church. Sometimes you could just carry the tithes, you give a low key.
Wow, that's so crazy.
Not everybody going to church, people they shout amen, they with you. Not true. Wow. If your landlord's house, they stand like this. Be like they watch you online. Anyways, now your landlords now, you just pay the money now.
Okay, landlord. How are you now? Are you ready to pay my payment now?
Galaka is playing. No worry, we'll explain later, eh? Do it in my open. Babaka, you did.
And he's not doing anything. Friend zone.
That's what's going on here.
Mosquito. Friend zone.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
He's a liar. A very bad liar.
How would they know?
Siwanga, uyumo siwanga ine siwanga.
Come on, sit.
Miraj, you don't.
Sit. Come on, here is
Hey, we start later.
Doctor's report, and it says that I am impotent.
That is, you can't pregnant.
Yes. So I want you to sleep with my wife. I will give you 10 million naira.
10 million?
Yes.
Okay. Provision is young. But Oga, the one where I sleep with Madam says, you know, go add small thing.
What?
Jesus! Say, are you playing?
What type of plane is this?
You just read 10 million.
Madam.
What?
I've get situation. Will you marry me?
Marry this traditional swine. The Bobo cigar. Just quiet and collect your 10 million. Ah, this guy don't lost them.
I'm losing composure.
Tasho.
Correct.
Tasho, my man. Correct. Tasho, wait me this now. Make I follow you drag small. Oh, this one I call you. Tasho, why do you do like this? Tasho, don't forget Sabi OG for the street. I beg you, give me something.
God have mercy upon us.
Uncle. That's great. Very good.
Tasho, collect. Tasho, I dey go find work like this. Tasho, I just want me wish me good luck. I wish you good luck.
Young man, are you sure you can handle my company very, very well?
Sir, I can handle your company very, very much. Sir, did you know that I was the one that handled WHO, World Health Organization, for 5 good years?
How many years of experience do you have?
Sir, I have 29 years of experience. I have been working with them for the past 1997. Sir, let me shock you. Do you know that I wrote WAEC 5 good times and I've had none? And the most shocking part is that I was supposed to be the CEO, but I give it to the wrong person. We fought out. Not be small fight. So I enter army, I bring 29 battalion of soldiers. Wow. I'm telling you, sir.
What the job? I love this. I start dancing.
I already knew he was mad. I swear. If not, I told him to start dancing.
Your madness never starts.
Oh my God, Phoebe!
Happy birthday, Kem.
Aww.
I got you this.
Thank you.
And this.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful.
Love is written in the stars, and just like the stars, our love is shining and unbreakable. So will you do me the honors to marry me?
Baby, are you for real?
Yeah.
I want to marry you.
Hey!
Just to let you know that no girl like so far.
Happy birthday, Kem.
Oh my God.
Women.
Lord of Jesus, take over.
Women are scorpions. They are vampires.
You dey threaten me?
They play the show now, they do.
One man begin.
Sweet melody.
Babe, this is a token of my love for me to you. You can be my wife. I promise you there are this and many more.
Kem. Hey. My Kemi, remember all that glitters is not gold. Okay. Choose wisely, me or him.
Yes, I'll marry you. Yes, I'll marry you. Living in peace.
Remember, no one knows tomorrow.
My friend, go and walk. Tomorrow is Sunday.
We just let you know that he knows tomorrow.
Baby, the car is not starting.
Love is a crime.
Poor man, please.
Nala.
Poor man, please. Must take as well.
Let her come the suffer because of what is doing at the top.
This is business.
Oh, they are saying use him to push the car since he cannot afford car for the girlfriend. Push car.
Luto, I catch you. Luto, what did they do for D&T?
Now what is called pass? They just pay them, they paint it down red. Now see my come hide my head.
It's your own family.
Sharp.
Luto, how you tell locate here?
And one of my guys, I tell you say D&T on Romi Mission Road. Say the place makes sense like settings, the environment nice, everywhere they okay. Now they find here. You what they find here?
Now here we lost too now. Osaspas now.
What's happening? Osaspas don't pick.
Osaspas? Pick. Osaspas na top now. So they don't pay recently so. He call us 2 room. He give me one amount a day. Luto, enjoy your weekend.
I wish I know I could not drop out from school.
I think they make you down.
You know, yeah. Now I'm enjoying government money, 77,000. Is it true? I had to have increased it to 77.
I'm a wicked man, and I won't really show you say I'm a wicked person. Move, be fast. So now you use people they do ritual for this community, Abi. Today your cup don't full. We go burn you alive. Bring it back, come.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Bring the fire. Bring everything, come.
Wait. Bible say he sacrifice only son. Una dey happy? Me want sacrifice my son. Una say they do ritual.
I wonder.
Let me say so when he sacrifice me want sacrifice.
Mommy, no, they tell me say why not do ritual. It must be one cocoa bread, 500.
Oh my God! Like this is crazy, oh, very crazy one. Are you Joseph? I mean, are you Abraham? Yeah, Abraham. Are you? So because of what they told these guys, now you have surrender. It has melted your heart, and now you are like, oh. Thank you guys for watching this comedy compilation video. We have actually come to the end of this one, and I believe you enjoy it. You know, as usual now, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, you know, and if you have not subscribed, please do that, and also turn post notification bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be the first person to see the alert, and YouTube will just bring it straight on your screen. Wow, You just see the alert. You watch without stressing, looking for our content to watch. So I really want to say something about this particular video. Dino Shop God and Steve-O. Come to think of it, guys, what if somebody, involved in such business, like establish such a mattress business? In that mattress business, you're going to get a shop and actually you're going to be selling mattress for real, but there will be mattress inside mattress, like the girls. I'm talking about the girls inside, and not all customers will actually know about this. That is how it's going to last. If all customers notice that they are prostitute, they are rendering service to customers because of extra money, it's going to cast, and one day you will just see police at your doorstep, boom, you'll be arrested, honestly. So what I'm trying to say is that when you want to venture into such business, you don't have to let all customers know. Those real customers, they'll be your main guys, like your main people, those people that are actually a womanizer. Those are the kind of people that you're going to let know about this business. So as for the rest, they're just going to be coming to buy normal mattress and going to be selling normal mattress to them. But those people that actually knows about the rate thing that's going on in that shop will actually pay extra, and people around will be wondering, how can this man sell one mattress for 80,000, 800,000? How can you sell mattress for 500? People will be wondering that. People are not buying their own, people are pricing their own, but you are selling in a very higher price. What's up, man? They'll be asking you questions, you just be smiling. That is how it should be. And first you just come, enter inside. Before you buy mattress, you're going to enjoy yourself, and that enjoyment is going to cost that customer some money. That's a fine business, but don't try it here in Nigeria. They will report you, I swear. You must actually be caught. But it's not, should I call it a crime? It is not a crime. It's just that you're going to incur more charges. More charges. That's why you need to charge high as well, because bringing those girls into the shop is going to cost you a lot, because those girls are actually going to take it as if you're carrying them overnight. So that is it. So I believe you enjoyed that one. I think that was a fine one from Steve-O's and Dino Shop God. A nice one. And also this comedy also is somehow very hilarious. Yes, it is hilarious. SK, after roaming around like preaching all the one that you could, you finally ended up in telling the girl that you want her to be your wife. And the girl was just actually playing along, and SK was swallowing, thinking that the girl is actually on his side. Never knew that this girl is never on his side, until when he asked her out, and the girl, who be this? And SK wanted to pick offense. He wanted to pick offense. He won't start to quarrel person when you're supposed to beg. He says, if it's actually like this in real life, life go down. Is it about Romeo without Juliet? Is it about him? Instead of you to walk straight to the food seller and tell her that you want to eat, that you're very hungry as a preacher, you need food, I think she might consider giving you something, But this one, you just want to use preaching, make her feel guilty and start, giving you food. It didn't work for him, or it didn't work for Romeo and Juliet. I'll be Romeo without Juliet. It didn't work for that guy at all. If you work for him now, just take a look at that one. I think the guy himself is a villager and his girlfriend is a villager. If not, why would that guy knock her because of AC? And you that brought the girl to another man's house, you were sleeping. You left your girl to be chatting with the guy. You slept for a long time until when you woke up and started getting rapidly. And you won't die. Now, wow. You don't have to, in every cheating, a man should not be blamed. In every cheating, a man should not be blamed. Like when you catch your girl with another man, never blame that man. Just forget about the man. Focus on your girlfriend, because the man actually, didn't go to her house and, you know, kidnap her. He actually used his mouth to approach her, and the girl actually fell for it, which is very wrong, you know. So a man, it's a normal thing for a man to walk up to a girl to approach her, but it's one thing if the girl is going to accept or not. So you should blame your girlfriend. Stop fighting over a girl. Stop fighting a man over a girl, you know. The girlfriend should be blamed. Instead, just leave her alone and focus on your life, because the moment you keep, you know, chasing men that is coming to her and she's accepting, you go chase, you will tire. That is what I do. You will chase and you will tire. I think you enjoyed this funny review, and I think you really enjoyed the whole comedy compilation video. And I think we're actually, you know, going out right now, and I want to appreciate you guys for sticking around and for watching my content, and also for liking this video. I really appreciate you guys. Let's actually see on our next video compilation. Don't touch the dial. Have a wonderful time. I'm out.